Exactly. This is the part that I love the best, is just going through this forest, imagining what was here. I mean, look at this. I'm just going to go right through this stand of trees. Is that not cool?
Makes me imagine what, like, a little bit of the Louisiana bayou is like.
Oh yeah.
This is so pretty.
Say hello. This is freaking awesome. Oh my God. It's something that's tied here with stuff to attract fish. It's a fish attractor.
Oh, for catfish, I'll guarantee that.
Yeah.
Good spot for it.
Yeah, it is. And I bet you if it catches a big catfish, it goes straight up. But that looks like storm over there, girl.
Yeah, 20% chance.
All right, you think we ought to start making our way across just in case?
It doesn't seem like it. Oh no, it looks pretty freaking dark. Yeah. Me. Okay.
You know what though, we got out here.
That's what I said, even if we, look at that. I'm just enjoying floating.
Me too. Hey, do me a favor.
What?
Just pop that button once on top. All you have to do is just press it. Effing crud. You are not going to believe what Michelle and I did. We literally were out there within the span of 30 seconds. This happened, and a freaking small, little, probably F0, F1 tornado went freaking like 50 foot to the left of us. I literally had just turned it off. Holy crap. Okay. It was glass. The water was glass.
It picked up fish and threw it out. We are never going to get across. I can't get across it.
I know. We're going to have to ride it out. Michelle, we barely got Michelle over to, thank God we were not in the middle of this thing. Holy crud. Well, you wanted an adventure.
Wow. Not like this.
Holy crud. You know what the only thing we can do?
Ride it out.
Is literally ride it out. And if we have to stay here the night until it goes, we turn these upside down and sleep on them. I mean, the whole thing is, we can't get across that. There's no way.
No.
Yeah,
the only other thing I can say is we can walk it around the dike.
We would literally have to walk the entire thing. Okay. Well, we're here. It was crazy. We had to pull them about a half mile up here while this is starting to calm down. The wind is still, it's pretty windy. It may be hard for Michelle. We may have to wait a few more minutes, but holy crud. Michelle's phone, when we got here, she started freaking out
again
because she lost her phone. So we left these here and walked all the way around about a half mile over that way. We went to where we were at and there was nothing there. And I said, well, where'd we pull in? And so I said, all right, let me just check. I walked out into the water and literally about 5 foot out, I saw a square object with a iVote sticker. So I picked it up.
I saved us by iVoting.
Yeah, I cannot believe we found her phone. She was like, oh my God. Okay, somewhere over here is that demon tree. And
right there.
Oh, is that it? No, the demon tree was further
right
in.
There. It's right there.
Is that it? No, I think the demon tree, no, because the demon tree was in the middle. So the demon tree's right over there.
Oh, that's it right there.
Yeah, the tall one right in the middle where there's nothing around it. And starting to think that this is some Blair Witch crap out here. Evil Dead, Blair Witch. All right, we got stories to tell. I am hitting myself. I tried to save the battery on this GoPro, and I literally turned it off. I literally, it wasn't.
You turned it off.
It wasn't
and
what?
You
it wasn't less than a minute that
no
hit after I turned it off.
You turned it off. You turned around, and I'm looking up, going, oh.
Yeah, it was like maybe 30 seconds.
Yeah, it was.
And that freaking tornado goes right to the left of us. That's what freaked me out is the wind hit, and then the waves hit,
spiraling.
And then the little tornado waterspout literally just came out of nowhere like thin air.
And it threw fish in the air.
All right, so we did call the West Watkins Center to let them know that the two crazy kayakers were alive and well, but we're having to wait it out. So they said if anything changes to let them know, you know, and so they'd have to get someone to come get us. But I think we're going to be okay. We just got to wait. I looked at the KFOR, and the storm should be gone with all the wind, hopefully in another 15, 20,
but
30 minutes.
The lightning and storm is all
it's all over there. You can still see. Yeah.
Storm front, like
yeah, that was crazy. Well, here's our update. We're just lounging around. We pulled them up around the corner, probably about 1.5 miles, 2 miles from where we initially came ashore. We're thinking this is the closest to the RV, which is way right over there. But we got to wait for these winds to die down. They're still too much for Michelle to make it across. But we're safe. We got to drink more. We got water to keep cool, just get in the water. So hopefully we'll be back to the RV within an hour, but these winds are going to have to die down a bit more before that happens. Wilson, you don't ever leave me, Wilson. Oh God, we're stuck out here. Wilson, Wilson. Well, I didn't have time to turn it on because we had a window. We were looking on the KFOR. We had a window of somewhat calm right before the wind. So that was us way over there, and we just had to paddle our butts off to get here. Oh,
now it's all
home sweet home.
It's all nice and calm.
I know.
By the time we get here.
I know, but those winds are going to kick up again, but who knows?
I like West Watkins, though.
Oh, I love West Watkins. I like the whole area, and think about this. I mean, here we are, July 4th weekend, and what? There's 5 cars up there.
Yeah, the same people stayed home before the storm.
Yeah, but just awesome. And holy crud, I just could not believe that happened. Anyway, we are safe. Getting ready to get back up to my awesome RV and head home, drink some Bahama Mamas, watch a good movie. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna have a few of those, because I mean, look at how beautiful it is out here. And just 3 hours ago, it was freaking crazy.